Hi everyone, this is Gabby at Our Decorative Nest, and today I have a really cute Winter Wonderland wreath to decorate with all of you. So for this project, you're only going to need a couple simple pieces. You're going to need a styrofoam form, as well as this little car chamois. So for the form that I'm going to use, you're going to need 2.5 car chamois. You can definitely use a bigger styrofoam form if you want. I personally wanted to use the 8-inch form. Now for this project, all you're going to do with the chamois is line it up with the form, use a lot of hot glue, and then just press the chamois into the space that it needs to go. When putting on the next chamois, you are going to want to make sure that it's pressed up nice and close to the first chamois. Just a quick tip about applying the chamois, you are going to want to make sure that the seam meets at the back of the wreath, just to make sure that you can't see it when you're hanging it. Now here's the part where I did have to cut the chamois. You are going to want to make sure that you don't undercut it. Even if you have just a little bit extra, that is for the best, just to make sure it goes all the way around the wreath. Alright, so here is what our form looks like with the chamois all around it. And you're going to want to make sure just to fluff it up just a little bit. Now to add the cute details. I'm taking this adorable snowbird that is in this little cute nest. We did get a really good deal on this piece of decor. It was only $1.87. So I am just going to snip off the bottom part of the nest so it lays flat on our wreath. So since the chamois is extremely fluffy, you are going to want to make sure that you use a lot of hot glue to make sure that it stays in place. Alright, now that our snowbird is in place, we are going to add a couple more details. I found these really cute red berries that I feel match the red berries on the little bird's nest so well. And again, you're going to want to make sure to use enough hot glue and press down pretty firm on them to make sure that they stay. And finally, I'm just taking a piece of red ribbon to hang our wreath. When using your hot glue to glue this on, just be careful to make sure not to burn your fingers. Alright, and here is our completed DIY Snowbird Winter Wonderland wreath. I hope you guys love this project. You get the chance to try this project out for yourself. Don't forget to sprinkle this video and continue watching for more holiday crafts. Happy crafting!